हाय खल्को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तैयार हो गए हैं, जा रहे हैं। बच्चों से मिलने की खुशी है, पाकिस्तान से जुदा होने की खफकान है। बस ये ज़िंदगी है, कभी खुशी कभी गम। जा रहे हैं फिर, अलविदा अलविदा ज़ीशान। أريد أخمن قدر زوزم مخبكي ذيجي بطيرة تخل चले गाड़ी में का सामान डाल रहे हैं, तो उदासी उदासी है। बस चलते हैं, आइए मेरे साथ सफ़र कीजिए। जाते हैं, कूबी मेरा उदास है। कूबी मुजान, यू वांना गो? चले, तैयार हैं। हाफिज़ खान को, घर को अल्लाह के हवाले, सारा कुछ अल्लाह के हवाले। बैठी हूँ डिपार्चर लॉन्च में, कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ। बस अभी 2 घंटे नमाज़ पढ़ूँगी, फिर इंशाल्लाह फ़्लाइट लेंगे बहरीन के लिए। बहरीन में 1 दिन रुकेंगे और फिर बहरीन के बाद इंशाल्लाह यूके। सब जा रहे हैं, बोर्डिंग शुरू हो गई है। दिल बहुत उदास है कसम से, बहुत खुश भी है और उदास भी है। खुश इसलिए है कि हम जा रहे हैं, बच्चों को मिलने जा रही हूँ, और उदास अपने सेंटर की बच्चियाँ, वो सब याद आएंगे जो मुझे पाकिस्तान की गलियों में मिलके मुझे प्यार करते थे। वो सब तुम लोग याद आओगे।
और सीट लेना ना भूलें, मज़ीद रकम अदा ना करें। एयरपोर्ट के ट्रेन की सहूलत बिला मुआवजा है।
ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ जो कहते हैं पाकिस्तान के एयरपोर्ट गंदे होते हैं, ये होते हैं, वो होते हैं। ये हमारे इस्लामाबाद का एयरपोर्ट है, बहुत साफ़ सुथरा। बाय पाकिस्तान।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final call for
परफ्यूम। अभी चेक इन कर रहे हैं रूम में। होटल से चेक आउट कर लिया, फ्लाइट में 2 घंटे हैं बस।
Oh my God, you guys get so taller in only 2.5 months. My God, look at the food. Oi, madam, I'm gonna pay you already start eating.
Where you go?
Cold weather में आ गए, it's so cold. गाड़ी में सामान रखता है, मेरी गाड़ी लेके आया है। वाह वाह जी, शुक्र है ये बहुत बड़ा है, और मैं सामान भी अपने साथ एक्स्ट्रा लेके आई हूँ।
Kayla, what are we doing today? Cleaning the house for Sumo. Aya, whoops. Aya, what are we doing? Cleaning the house for Sumo.
You can just show me doing this. Go on. Show me doing this.
Eating blueberry.
Cleaning the house for Sumo, right?
Yeah, show me doing this.
Blueberry.
Okay. So Sumayya's cleaning, and this time I'm cleaning as well. I won't be able to show you Sumayya because you can see Sumayya's Halloween ones though. Yeah, this is so difficult. What we're doing right now, this pile is horrendous. The kids sitting, lounging, doing nothing. Right, Yusuf? You're doing nothing. What are the kids doing?
Do me.
Hi. Nothing.
Do
Kira, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Yes. Anyway, resuming for Mama, who's coming tomorrow, inshallah, so we can clean the house, which I don't know how, nobody's been here, but we're still doing a deep clean. You guys, it's 6 a.m. Don't judge what I'm wearing. It's really cold. Let me give you a little spin. This is so comfy. Anyway, Mama's coming. The flight arrived quite early. So, 1 second. The flight arrived quite early. My brother's gone to pick her up. And Sumayya's still sleeping because yesterday we were cleaning for like 12 hours straight. I'm dying this morning. But someone needs to do the cooking and Sumayya's still sleeping, even though I tried to wake her up with little shit. But everything's going smoothly and Mama is coming. So excited. What we have cooking right now, the chaat is doing its bits. This is the yakhni. We're gonna do chicken curry, samosas. I'm doing these cheese parcels thingies. I need to get a few things still, but yeah, everything's running smoothly. See you in a bit, Mama. We have cheese parcels, the chaat, salad, chutney, and then there's other stuff in the kitchen. Let me show you now. We've made the samosas, but too late. There's rice, some pasta, and curry. So let's plate it quickly. So this is the chicken curry done, the rice done, the chicken parcels done, the chaat done, the salad, chutney, and we have our drinks. Almost 10 minutes away, so we're right on schedule, except I wanted to get her flowers, but we have no time, because if I go get flowers, we won't be home to say hello. So, and I wanted to get a cake as well, but sorry, Ma. It's ready to see some more. Yay! Are you excited to see some more? Hiya! Hey, baby. So, Mama said 10 minutes, but it's 20 now. Mama? Get in it. Humpty Dumpty, get out of my video. Mommy. Oi, Zar, love him. He drove like, I didn't even know how many hours. Say this way, Razi. No, you. Hello. Ayla, wait. Ayla, go. Ah. Oh.
I miss you so much. I want to eat you.
Kayla, did you have some more? She's going to her room.
Halal cook.
I like my suitcase.
Wow, this is a nice thing. Kana?
Yes.
My daughter's clean house for me beautifully. Love you, boo boo.
You can get into your comfy
my
bed.
cozy bed. It's so warm here. My cozy bed. I need my PJ. I need my PJ. So you want Asian clothes? I heard. Oh, John, I love you, boo. I love you. I love you, my boo.
You look beautiful, Ma. I love your outfit. Very nice. Again.
My PJ, bache.
She's ready for her PJs.
Yes.
Awesome.
Nadan nadi. Ako dwar pajami. Do you go? Okay. I take. So na bhi parcel 100 way.
Maybe. Mama's getting into her PJs already.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm officially done.
Oh my God, your hair grows so.
Cuties. Cuties.
Go on then. Jump on the bed. I miss you so much.
How was the gym? Did you sleep?
Oh, you were sleeping.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
You're a gym lady. You
Yes,
can
I
lift
am.
me with one arm.
Yeah, I can.
How are you?
Good handle there. I like your jumper, Malia.
Oh, thank you.
Hey,
Okay.
that's so nice.
Yeah, there. TikTok shot.
Oh, very nice.
Hi, Sid. I got the thing.
Hi, Mama. I love you, Mama. Mama, love you. I don't know. Your favorite. Your favorite. Say.
Oi.
Love you. Give us some more hug, everyone.
Oh, you don't know how you